Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
In 2015, there was an advertisement which was issued by the government for recruitment to the post of assistant data entry operator. A written test was conducted, and thereafter, at the stage of drawing the final select list, the marks of written tests were totally ignored. As a result of this, the candidates who were ranking high in the merit list and who were otherwise meritorious, they were deprived of appointment to the post of data entry operator. The appointment orders have been quashed, and the High Court has directed the respondent number 1 and 2 to prepare a fresh select list after considering the marks of the written test and oral interview which is already conducted, and the government has been directed to issue appointment orders on or before 31st of January 2021